Hello all, I am Asanke. Today I am going to explain full story of the classic movie Pulp Fiction. Please subscribe and support my channel. Without wasting any time, let us start. The story of this movie is in non-linear mode. If we see story after rearranging. Story of Pulp Fiction kicks off as Vincent Vega and Jules are going somewhere on their car. Actually, they're going to take a suitcase of their boss. On that location, a gunfight happens. Due to this, 3 out of 4 people who are living on that apartment killed by Jules and Vincent. Jules brings remaining Nigel with him when they returning the suitcase to their boss. After this fight, Jules decides to leave the path of violence and tries to become a good man. He talks about this with Vincent Vega when they driving back towards their boss. Argument happens between Jules and Vega at that time. Due to this, by mistake Vincent Vega shoots and kills Nigel with his handgun, and blood spreads all over their car on the middle of the street. Without knowing what to do, they drive to Jules' friend Jimmy's house. With the help of Vincent Wolf, they clean their car, change their dresses, and after disposing the body, they will enter to a restaurant to eat. On that restaurant, Pumpkin and Honey Bunny were planning to rob. After planning, they try to rob the suitcase from Jules. But with the help of Vincent, Jules makes a deal with Pumpkin and Honey Bunny and lets them go away with his money instead of suitcase. Here we can see that Jules is changing as a good man. After eating, Jules and Vincent Vega will go to see boss Marcellus Wallace. Wallace and boxer Butch will be making a deal there. According to that deal, Butch agreed to lose his next match and Butch takes money from Marcellus Wallace for that. Here a small argument happens between Vincent Vega and Butch. After this, we will not see Jules again because he left the path of violence and became a good man. After giving suitcase to Marcellus Wallace, Vincent buys heroin from a drug dealer. After injecting a small amount of heroin into his body, he keeps the remaining drug in his pocket and he goes to pick up Mia Wallace as his boss ordered. After finishing the party and iconic dance competition, he brings Mia Wallace to her home. There, she overdoses heroin and loses her consciousness. With the help of the drug dealer, he gives her a shot of adrenaline and saves her. Then he leaves Mia to her home, taking a promise from her that she will not tell anybody about it. On next scene, Butch is seeing a dream of childhood about his family watch. After thinking about the dream, he changes his mind and instead of losing the match as Wallace told, he wins the match and also accidentally kills his opponent. Fearing that Wallace could kill him, he escapes from there using a cab. Next day, he decides to leave town with his girlfriend, but to get back his forgotten watch, he again comes back to his apartment. There he kills Vincent Vega who was coming out from toilet. When he tries to escape from apartment, a big fight happens between Butch and Wallace. They will get into a shop fighting eventually. In that shop, Wallace gets abused by 2 men. Butch succeeds to escape from them, but he comes back and rescues Marcellus Wallace from them. Due to this help, Wallace leaves Butch alone and asks him to leave the town. And finally, Butch leaves the town with his girlfriend. And this is the full story of Pulp Fiction. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed my video. Okay, bye. Have a great day. See you all on my next video.